Hi students, I'm Jeff, and today's pronunciation topic is the unvoiced TH sound versus the voiced TH sound. Listen and repeat the words as I read them for you. Part A. Unvoiced. Thigh. Ether. Teeth. Bath. Breath. Cloth. Moth. Faith. Broth. Both. Thought. And now the voiced. Thy. Either. Teethe. Bathe. Breathe. Clothe. Mother. Father. Brother. Bother. Though. The. They. This. That. These. Those. Alright, now let's review how the sounds are made. Obviously, for both sounds, you need to stick your tongue out. Th, th. The only difference is that one sound is unvoiced, th, meaning you breathe out to make it, and the other is voiced, th, meaning you produce a vibration in your throat to make it. A lot of common TH words have the voiced sound. The, they, this, that, these, and those. Other than that, there is no real secret to learning this. It's just a matter of experience and memorization. Now you can pause the video and practice the sounds and words on your own. Replay the first part if necessary, then come back for part B. Listen as I read all the words in part B. Thigh. Thy. Ether. Either. Teeth. Teethe. Bath. Bathe. Breath. Breathe. Cloth. Clothe. Moth. Mother. Faith. Father. Broth. Brother. Both. Bother. Thought. Though. Okay, now it's time for the quiz. I will say one word from each pair and you say which one you heard, first or second or left or right. I will give you the answers as we go, and I'm only going to use the first 6 pairs. So the first pair. Thy. The right. Ether. The left. Teeth. The left. Bathe. The right. Breath. The left. Clothe. The right. Finally, let's do dictation. Write down what you hear and then check your answers. The answers are in the box below, but no peeking. I will read each sentence 3 times. The second time, I will hold up a finger to represent each word. Number 1. How do you spell clothe? How do you spell clothe? How do you spell clothe? 2. Don't bother the moth. Don't bother the moth. Don't bother the moth. 3. I didn't hurt my thigh either. I didn't hurt my thigh either. I didn't hurt my thigh either. Now check your answers and be ready to ask any questions that you have in class. Thanks for watching and have a great day.